Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Ivy Kathleen, your architect and property specialist. If you're watching this from YouTube, please subscribe po to my channel kung bago ka pa lang dito. If you're watching from Facebook or from TikTok, please follow nyo din po ako. Anyways, guys, so for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys shop bag. Again, shop bag. So, yung iba sa inyo, marahil napanood na po yung mga previous videos ko about shop bag. But this time, I'll be sharing it with you guys again. So, meron kasi akong kailangang i-book through booking.com. So, might as well share shop bag again. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko ginagamit si Shopback. So, if you are new to this video, kung ngayon mo lang napanood yung video ko about Shopback, so i-explain ko lang din na if you access Shopback, you might get your cashback. So, napakaraming online stores na partner si Shopback. So, once i-access nyo lang siya for your every online transactions na ginamit mo si Shopback, magkakaroon ka ng cashback. So, meron kang matitipid for your every successful online transaction. So, 'di ba? Ang ganda niya. Hindi mo namamalayan na ang laki na pala ng naiipon mo. I'll be providing my referral link sa description box or sa comment section. Yun, mag-sign up lang kayo through my link. Tapos may makukuha kayong instant 100 pesos. By the way guys, na-mention ko na din to sa videos ko before. Minimum withdrawal amount is 200. So, kapag meron na kayong 100 available sa inyong available wallet, 100 na lang yung kailangan ninyong ipunin for all your online transactions. Tapos, pwede nyo na siyang i-withdraw. And yes, nawi-withdraw po ito. Don't worry. Kasi ako po ay ilang beses nang nakapag-withdraw sa Shopback. So, I've been using Shopback, I think, 2019 or 2020 pa. At kung kayo ay mahilig or madalas mag-travel katulad ko, so madalas ko kasing ginagamit is booking.com for my accommodations, tapos si Klook sa aking internet SIM and train tickets. So, mas madali kayong makakaipon guys kasi ang laki ng possible na cashback ninyo kapag ginamit nyo siya sa inyong mga travel activities. So, let's say kay Klook. So, bukod doon sa nabanggit ko na SIM and ticket trains, ang daming mga private tours na pwede ninyong pagpilian kay Klook. Hindi lang siya dito sa Philippines, hindi lang sa Taiwan. Ang daming countries na connected si Klook. Kaya, ayun, ang laki ng matitipid ninyo guys. Hindi nyo namamalayan, ang laki na ng naiipon ninyo with Shopbag. So again, I'll be sharing this video kasi meron akong ibubook sa booking.com. So yun, panoorin nyo guys.
So, una is i-open nyo si Shopback and then search the app, which is for me is booking.com. Yan. And then, click continue to app para mag-open siya dun. Okay. So, wait lang natin na mag-load and then, ayan. So, search nyo na lang yung inyong mga preferences. Like for me, ito, in Taichung. Tapos, since nakapili naman na ako before, so, hinanap ko lang, which is ito si Twin Star Hotel. And then, select rooms. Tapos, kapag nakapili na kayo, for me, standard double room. So, select reserve. And then, yan, fill in your details. And then, next step, check lang ulit yung mga important details. And then, final step is the payment. So, for the payment, pwede kasi siya ng pay at the property or yung iba, kailangan ng credit card details to secure booking but not necessarily credit card payment siya. Pwede siyang pay at the property pa din. And then, may marireceive kayong email confirmation from booking.com na okay na confirm na yung inyong booking accommodation. And then, after a while, may marireceive din kayong another email from Shopback saying na na-track na yung inyong latest transaction.
And that's it guys. So, ganun ko gamitin si Shopback. And kapag nakapag-book na ako, successful yung booking, meron akong marireceive sa email, confirmation, let's say yun nga, yung sa booking.com. So, an email from booking.com confirming my booking and payment. And after a short while, meron naman din ako mare-receive na email from Shopback saying na na-track na nila yung cashback ko from that booking. So you see, from the 9,000 pesos something in peso, tapos meron akong marireceive na shopback or cashback na 500 plus. So, eto another info ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yun nga, yung recent travel ko last month sa Taiwan. So, yung recent booking ko with Booking.com. So, actually, na-confirm na yung cashback ko dun. So, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yan. You see, very smart na gamitin si Shopback, lalo na kapag nagte-travel kayo. Kasi, yes, gumagastos kayo. Yes, napaghandaan nyo yung travel na to. Pinag-ipunan ninyo, ganyan. But, hindi ba mas maganda na meron din kayong nasi-save from that expenses? So, yeah, if you haven't tried Shopback and you're watching this video, this is your sign to start using Shopback. Okay, hindi lang siya sa travel, pwede sa food, sa clothing, online shoppings. Napakaraming stores or affiliated stores ni Shopback. So, i-explore niyo na lang sila explore niyo na lang si Shopback when you have the time. But the most important thing is start using Shopback now. Okay? And the very first step is to sign up using my link, download the app, and yeah, start exploring Shopback. So again, this is Abby Kathleen, your architect and property specialist. I hope marami kayo natutunan from this video about Shopback. Okay, so please subscribe po sa aking YouTube channel and please follow me also on Facebook and TikTok. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!